What's going on, guys? Adam again, back with the Atomic Garage, and we are here, guys. Yes, we are here with another unboxing. What do we have here? I don't know, but I do know we just landed a sponsorship, and I'm gonna tell you all about it in this video. Yes, guys, as you can see here, and as the intro just stated, I just landed a sponsorship with Maxpeedingrods. And you know what, guys, I am excited about this. I have been approached by several different companies wanting me to try out several different things, and if I'm not confident within the product, then I'm definitely not going to bring it to you guys. But I finally have teamed up with a company that I believe is a very genuine company, and that is, again, Maxpeedingrods. As you guys know, I am running their Maxpeedingrods 24-way adjustable and dampening coilovers on my E36 BMW. And honestly, if you set them up, they are the greatest thing in the world. So they have reached out to me and they said, we would like to sponsor you, and we have some products from them. But first, before I can unbox these products, let me tell you a little bit about the sponsor for the day, Maxpeedingrods. So again, Maxpeedingrods is a company that offers several different things that I myself, before really doing some research into their company, did not even know about. This company has a lot of different things. This company has coilovers, they have billet crankshafts, which I didn't even know they had. Not only that, air suspension, turbochargers, suspension arms, and also connecting rods. Forged connecting rods. They have direct replacement turbos that go on a lot of different vehicles as well, and they offer so many different products. Check out their website. I will have a link to their website and a tracking code, guys, and everything that you do or buy from Maxpeedingrods will also come back to support this channel. And I also, as you know, have a discount code, and the discount code is ATOMIC. What other discount code will we use? Use ATOMIC when you are checking out. You will save yourself 5% on anything and everything, big or small, no matter what it is, on the website. Now, without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and see what's in these boxes. Oh, guys, man, here we go. Couple different things. Let's be honest, okay? Moment of honesty. I have already recorded this video and I forgot to turn my mic on. So the true unboxing I can't give because it is lost. I am so sorry. But regardless, I am excited about these things and I'm gonna look at them a second time. That's right. So first off, when I opened up the box, this is what I received. This is a customer service card, a card that I have not gotten when I went through just the eBay buyers, but this is the attention to detail that you can expect. That's got the About Us cards and also another one of these cards that shows everything that they offer with a big thank you. So that's a great sign by itself. Not only that, here is a shirt that they were so kind and generous to send me. I am not going to try it on a second time because I am way too big for it, but I mean, it looks amazing. I love this shirt. This shall be my motivation to lose weight so I can fit this shirt like it was actually supposed to. But anyway, we'll set that to the side for right now. Let's open up this big box, see what we got going on here. Opening it up, and we're gonna pull out this main one here. What is this? This is throw that to the side, a blow-off valve. As you guys know, I am putting a big turbo, big boy turbo on my E36, my BMW 4-cylinder, the unpopular stepchild, but you know what? It's gonna make some whoosh noises, and it's gonna be able to make those whoosh noises with this blow-off valve right here. So along with that blow-off valve, we've got some hose, and we've got the gasket for it, little Y connector, and also the hardware that goes inside of it. Now, of course, as you guys know, smell test. Smell test is crucial to an unboxing experience. So initial smells. Yep, that's right. Oh yeah. So smells like machined metal, and you know what? Spring is nice, strong, smells great. When you look at the mating surfaces, you want to make sure that it is free of grime or burrs or you know casting flange, rough pieces and stuff like that. And honestly, I don't see that anywhere at all. I mean, this whole thing is built really nice, and people seem to believe that you can only get quality parts from huge big name companies that you end up paying triple for, double and triple for, just because they have their name plastered on the side. But Maxpeedingrods is changing the game. At least that's what I personally believe. Now, moving on to the second box. Let's see what we got here. All right, nice packaging, of course. And we have the tube that this mates to itself. So I don't have aluminum to weld, so I went with this option right here. And again, there's no sharp edges, no burrs, no different things like that. Everything looks really good, and look at that mirror finish on it. Really looks good. And you know, I'm really excited about pairing with this company and also trying out some of their things. You know, for a company to try multiple different products, sell multiple different products, whether it's OEM replacements or aftermarket, they have to be a decent company. And Maxpeedingrods have literally been around for years, so it's only right that they have mastered the recipe to these products. So in the next coming video, guys, you guys will see me install these parts onto the BMW, and hopefully shortly thereafter we will try and get the BMW actually running. That is a big deal. My car has been sitting for so long that I don't even remember the last time that I drove it, and I want to feel that feel again. I want to experience that again. My tag's even expired. It's been sitting for so long. So we're going to get the BMW back up and run it, and of course we're going to do a full cost breakdown. And not only that, we're going to do a once over, you know, after the fact review on all of the parts, and a dedicated video to these Maxpeedingrod parts, making sure that they are what they seem to be, which I know they actually are. So again, guys, when you get a chance, check out their website. Link will be in the description. It will be a tracking code there as well, and also a discount code for myself. Code word is Atomic. You will save yourself 5% off anything in the store. So thank you, Maxpeedingrods, guys, and thank you guys for checking out this video. You guys will see a follow-up, and we will go from there. Peace.